There it goes.
Okay, now here, I'm putting it closer and closer. Here.
What?
Hit auto set again.
Okay.
So it's at about 80 hertz.
I don't know. I can't read anything.
Channel 1. Oh, you're not getting the numbers I care about in the recording. Can you move the thing to the numbers on the right side? Is what I care about.
Oh. Well, shit. You should tell me this stuff. Okay.
So that's about 80 hertz, and I'm going to move the water away. And it's still flowing through the valve, but not as much. And now we've got about half as much water, and I'm going to push it back onto the thing. Shit, are you getting the numbers? Yeah?
Yeah.
90, okay, we just hit 100. Yeah?
You say so. I can't read it from here.
Okay, and then that's it.
Okay.